Then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went high and the stars quit shining. The rain was driving, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came. You hit me like a hurricane. Hey guys, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Hurricane by Luke Combs. I'm teaching this one because Daniel Burns specifically requested it in a comment. So, a couple things. If you have any other requests, please let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to teach you guys those songs. Also, secondly, if you have not subscribed, please do. So you can get notified when I come out with new videos. And for all of you who have subscribed, I really appreciate it, so much. So thank you so much. So let's get right into it. Standard tuning, you're going to put a capo on the 3rd fret, and then everything after this is going to be in relation to the capo, okay? So if I say 2nd fret or something like that, that is 2nd fret from the capo, okay? So let's get into it. So the intro, I'm going to use a pick on this. I'm just trying not to play super loud for my neighbors, but it's a pick typically makes it a little bit louder, but I think it's easier to pick this part. So you're going to start, and you can use kind of whatever fingers you want, but you're going to start on the B string, okay? And you're going to start on the 5th fret, so just okay? And so you're going to pluck it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So after 5, you slide down to 3 on the same one, okay? Dun, 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 dun. I think that's 1 too many times, 4 times. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so after the 4th, you slide to 3, and then you're going to play it on the 4th fret. And it's just easy for me to switch with that finger. Okay, so you can use whatever you want, but that's how I do it. So then on the 4th fret, on the G string, you're going to pluck, and you're going to slide up to 7. Okay, so like that. Da da. You're going to go up to, then you're not going to slide it because it's going to be easier if you do it with different fingers. So you're going to use your pointer finger, and you're going to put it on the G string on the 2nd fret, okay? And you're going to play it twice, and the second time you're going to hammer on the 4th fret. So then when you pull it off, it's not a pull off, okay? It's not it's dun dun dun. So as soon as you let go, you're going to pluck again. And then you're going to do it open on that G string again, okay? So it goes like this. 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, okay, 4, 7, 2, 2, 4, 2, oh, and you're going to play that twice, okay? Just like that, okay? That's the intro. You're going to play that twice, right there, okay? Then I'm going to put the pick down. So then you're going to strum with these chords, okay? You're going to do E minor, okay? And then C, and then you're going to do G, and it doesn't matter what G you use. I really like going from C like that to this G, okay? So that's why I do that. It would sound great if you did that G as well, okay? But so you do C, G, and then D, okay? I have seen some tabs that say you can do D over F sharp. I don't like playing it that way, and I think it sounds perfect playing it in D. So I haven't seen Luke Combs play it, so I don't know for sure, but I think it sounds best to play with the D, okay? So remember, that's E minor, and this is how the verses go. This is the order of the chords, the chord progression. E minor, C, G, D, okay? So here's the strumming pattern. It's knew it was gonna be a long night from the moment when got talked into going out, hopes you were staying in. I played that wrong, alright, sorry. So you're going to do down, and you can play it I'm playing it very slow, right? Because I'm trying to show you how it goes, okay? So it really goes, if it's a little bit faster, it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up. Okay. Now, the reason I'm playing it, you may have noticed one thing. I actually switched the chords there because I accidentally switched it to how they play it in the chorus, but it's the same strumming pattern throughout the whole song. So it's, let's see. Knew it was gonna be a long night from the moment when. Okay, so down, down. Oops, sorry, I keep playing the wrong chord there. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so then you're gonna switch back to E minor. Now you can play it like, you can play it more than that, but you're just gonna be going like, let's see. Knew it was gonna be a long night from the moment when. At the end, I'm going down, down, up, down, up, okay? And then you switch back to E minor, okay? Now you're doing that same chord progression for the chorus. So the verses are E minor, C, so E, C, G, D, and then back to E minor, okay? Then in the chorus, you're going to do it a little bit differently. You're gonna play C, so it's, then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. Okay, so notice that goes C, G, E minor, D. And you'll notice a lot of songs have the exact same chord progressions. So like so many songs I can think of have these two chord progressions in them. But and that's it. So then so when you play it, you're gonna go through it, and the last time in the chorus, you're gonna skip E minor. So you're gonna go, you wrecked my whole world. So you're on G, when you came, and you skip E minor right there. So you just go to D. All right, and hit me like a hurricane. And now you can, depending on how you want to play it for people, you can go and play the intro again after the second time, after you play, the chorus the first time. So when you go into the, like you're starting the song over kind of, you can play the intro again, because they do, but at that point, I think it would be better if you just play the chord progression. That's because they're playing the intro over the chord progression, okay? Also, if the intro is hard for you, you don't ever have to play it. You can just start by playing this once, the verse once without any lyrics, once or twice, okay? Whatever you like. People aren't gonna really care or notice. So you can do that instead, and you don't have to play you don't have to do that if that's like hard or something, or you just don't want to. It depends on the setting, right? You can just strum it. So that's the whole song. The bridge is the same thing. It's the same as the verse. So it's Category 5 with a smile. Okay, just like that. E, C, G, D. That's the whole thing. Then after the bridge, when they have the little solo, it's the same thing. You're just playing the instrumental for it. So you're just doing. Actually, I guess it's just C, G, D. Okay, and that's just a little do 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 do. Okay, so I'm not gonna teach you how to play the solo right now. But if you want, let me know and I'll play it for you in another video. Okay. But anyway, that's the whole song, and I love it. I mean, I love pretty much anything Luke Combs. But if you like it, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Please subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new videos. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Thanks, and I hope this was super useful for you guys. All right, see you next time.